Hi golfers, I'm going to show you in this video how we've implemented our team matchups in our new team formats. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the website. Now we see here that I have a league and I have 4 teams, red, green, yellow, and blue. Now in order for them to actually be playing each other, we need to have rounds scheduled. So the first thing we need to do is go click on Manage Our Golf Leagues and go to our league season. So here you see that previously I have a season that I've set up for match play points per hole. So now when I click on the little calendar icon here to manage season schedule. Now what we need to have dates, like I said. So we're going to add rounds here. Now you can add these individually, or you can use our little option over here to add them weekly. So weekly would be useful if you're like me and you happen to play on a league that plays every Tuesday and you know it's always going to be on Tuesday. So you can just pick a date and say just give me every Tuesday between these 2 dates. So for now, let's go ahead and schedule some rounds. I'm going to go into Delaware here. And I'm going to pick Rock Manor. And I'm going to set my team, my league up to play weekly on Saturday. And my season I set earlier to start in 3-6 and end in 8-7. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now you'll see that every Saturday in between 3-6 and 8-7 has had a round scheduled. So now the important part. How do we set up our teams, or actually match up our teams? So you can do it one of 2 ways. You can either try the auto scheduler. Now the auto scheduler will simply rotate the teams such that everybody plays everybody else, and it'll kind of just rotate through a pattern. So in our case, you know, yellow will play blue, then yellow will play green, then yellow will play red, and then it'll go back and play blue again. If you don't want to use the auto scheduler, you can click on this versus button here and actually drag the teams over that you want to have play each other. So we're going to set up, you know, in this instance, blue versus green and red versus yellow. And then you simply hit save. So now your first date is going to have that team matchup. So I'm going to demonstrate real quickly how the auto scheduler works. Now, auto scheduler will overwrite anything that you've done manually, so we warn you of that. I'm going to go ahead and do it, and we get a little pop-up here telling you that we've successfully completed. So here we go, blue versus yellow, blue versus red, blue versus green, and then back again, blue versus yellow. So now we have all of our teams scheduled and ready to go. So that's essentially it. If you wanted to see what your users are going to see, they're going to go to this schedule link, and they'll be presented with all the dates, and they'll see the matchups as well. So hopefully you guys find this useful. Thanks for watching.